Works Cited tutorial using Microsoft Word presented by Richard Peterson. This tutorial will explain how to easily use Microsoft Word to create sources for a Works Cited page. Citations. What is this used for? When you are writing a term paper and you need to keep track of your sources and be able to make a works cited page after this training. After this training you will be able to easily add sources. Create a works cited page or bibliography page in a fraction of time correctly.
At the top, you're going to want to go to References, and then under the Citations and Bibliography group, you will see all your options that you'll need. And you can click Insert Citation and then Add New Source. Once you click on that, and a box will open, and you can choose your type of source, and you can scroll. You can see a lot of different type of sources that you can choose from. First one we're going to go ahead and choose is book. And the first field you can choose is author. So if you go ahead and click edit and write in the author's name and click add, the author will be added for you very easily. You can go ahead and add the title, the year, the city. I'm just going to enter in a fake city, and the publisher. I'm going to enter in a fake publisher. Now, before you click OK, down the left-hand side, you'll see other options or fields, and you can enter these if you want, but we're going to go ahead and go with what Microsoft has for book, and then click OK. Now you see you have a citation with that author, and you can always go there, insert citation, very easily. So we're going to remove these. We're going to add one more source. This time we're going to choose journal article. I'm going to add an author, but this time we're going to add more than one author, so you can see how it looks when you add multiple authors. And you can see that Microsoft will automatically sort these authors accordingly to what you're choosing. And it's a pretty good thing because you don't have to worry about putting them in order or anything like that. Microsoft does that for you. And so there are different types of fields because we're on the journal article. So go ahead and add the title and the journal name. Like I said, this is just fake data. I'm making this up. I'm just showing you how it would work. You can also click the fields, but we're going to go with the Microsoft fields and go ahead and click OK. And now you have another citation. And other options you have, you can choose APA or MLA options. Choose whichever one you want. This is a good thing because you just choose. And now if you want to make a works cited or bibliography page, you just click on whichever one. And there you go. You have a works cited page. Very simple. Another thing they have is manage sources, where you can see your sources that you already have, and on the left side are other sources that are already there. So I'm going to go ahead and add more sources to this current list, and it doesn't matter which order I pick them in. Microsoft is going to sort them in alphabetical order. You click OK. Click back on the works cited part, update the current bibliography for works cited, and bam, there are all your works cited sources. So that's a real simple tutorial on how to add a works cited with sources in the correct format easily.